Hello friends, it's Michelle here. Today is February 26th and it is a beautiful, actually it's not that beautiful, it's a cloudy day in Victoria. It is a low of 5 degrees with a high of 12. It's starting to get a lot warmer and today we're going to do my February garden tour. We're going to do a short little walkabout because I don't have a huge space. It'll be kind of fun to see the green tips of emerging bulbs working their way through the soft soil. And the blooms are on their way. It's going to be nice to see some color in the yard. So join me and we'll go for a quick little tour. This is the view from my kitchen window, looking out onto the east side of the yard. As you can see, this area has fewer flowers compared to other parts of the garden, and that's largely because I'm working with a very rocky terrain. Soil is minimal here, so it presents a unique gardening challenge. To adapt, I've been focusing on plants that thrive in these tough conditions, like sedums and other alpine varieties that don't require much water. These plants are not only hardy, but they add beautiful texture and interest to this low soil space. Next up, you'll see the buds on my pink azalea, not quite showing off yet, and beside it, the pink heathers are in bloom, adding a cheerful pop of color. In my feature bed, the sarcoca has filled in beautifully. There's lots of cyclamen leaves, though I'm not sure I'll see any flowers. And as always, the moss and the lovely licorice ferns are just thriving out here. Heading down the west side garden, you'll see my flagstone path is nearly complete. It stretches past lush ferns and a row of Virginia leading to the front garden bed. Watching the video back, I've noticed I've got some winter cleanup to tackle. But look, tulip bulbs are pushing through the soil and both pink and white heather are showing off their gorgeous blooms. Glancing up the front rock face, there's a beautiful spread of moss, self-seeded saxifrage, licorice ferns, and a mix of sedums doing their thing. Making our way back up the path, on one side there's a rhododendron getting ready to show off a stunning pink display in the months ahead. Across the path you'll spot two varieties of mondo grass, adding their own texture and charm, along with sedums and daffodils just beginning to bloom. Heading up a small staircase, we pass a custom rock wall framing a lush mock-horn shrub. Tucked beside it is a charming pocket garden where bulbs are beginning to peek through, joined by heuchera, forget-me-nots, catnip, a variety of a daisy, more sedums, and a soft carpet of green moss. Standing above on my neighbor's walkway, you get a bird's eye view of the path running alongside the house. From this angle, you can spot a different focal point: hellebores, and lavender, more ferns, caladiums, daffodils, tulip, and allium bulbs, all nestled in a bed of leaf mulch. And finally, wrapping around the garden shed, the tour finishes with more ferns, emerging daffodil bulbs, a juca, and a generous sprinkle of self-seeded foxgloves ready to put on a show. Thanks for joining me in the garden today. I will look forward to seeing you on my March garden tour. If not lot sooner. Bye for now.